All right, so the next objective is surface area. Surface area to me is kind of like compound area because you're really just, again, breaking it down into shapes, rectangles, parallelograms, triangles. And we're using those formulas. So again, do not just start randomly multiplying numbers. That's not how it works. Okay, we're not just making stuff up. Okay, so here I have a square and 4 triangles. Well, this square is length times width because rectangles and squares are length times width. So 2 times 2, 4. This triangle is base times height divided by 2, right? Not just some random thing. So I know the height is 1.5 because it gives me that. You may go, well, it doesn't give me the base, but it does. See, this is a square. So if this is 2, this is also 2. So my base is 2, and then all of that divided by 2. So 2 times 1.5 divided by 2 is 1.5. So the area of just this one right here is 1.5. Now, it just worked out that way this time. Okay, it doesn't always work out that it's going to be the same there. Now, there are 4 triangles that are identical. So this 1.5 times 4, which is now 6. And I'm going to add the 6 to the 4 that I already have. And so the surface area for this square pyramid is 10 units squared. Okay, I just broke it apart into the shapes that I recognized. Okay, so let's look at this one. Same thing. There just seems like more shapes, right? So I'm going to start with the big rectangle right here on the top. Now I've got a 6.5 here, a 5 here, and a 6.5 here. So some of you may go, okay, so 6.5 times 5 times 6.5. No. Length times width. 2 numbers only. Don't make up stuff, okay? So we're just going to do 6.5 times 5 for this one. 6.5 times 5 is 32.5, okay? Now, let's go ahead and do the rectangle that's down here on the bottom. So that's length times width. So that's 6.5 times 4. So that's 26. Now let's do the rectangle back here on the back. That's 6.5 times 3. So that's 19.5. Okay. And then lastly, we have the triangle right here. And the triangle is base times height divided by 2. So 4 times 3 is 12, divided by 2 is 6, but there are 2 triangles. So I'm going to just add all that up. 6 plus 6 plus 32.5 plus 26 plus 19.5 equals a surface area of 90 units squared for this triangular prism. Okay, so surface area, a lot like the other objective, break it down into the shapes that you know.